everyone! Long gone are the days when heart attacks used to happen in older age. Now with all the stress and pressure in our lives, people as young as 20 years old are getting heart attacks. This is why it is crucial to take care of our heart health. But did you know that you can improve your heart health through a regular yoga practice? That's right. Yoga can be a great way to reduce stress and improve your cardiovascular function. So today I'm going to show you 3 yoga asanas to keep your heart healthy. Let's get started. The first pose is Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, or the upward facing dog pose. Now how to do this pose? Lie on your abdomen with your hands next to the ribs, fingers pointing forward, elbows tucked into your sides. Press the tops of your feet into the floor and engage the thighs and knees, and keep the tailbone pointing towards the heels. Inhaling, pressing into your hands and feet, straighten your arms and lift your chest and legs off the floor. Engage your abdomen and draw the shoulder blades onto your back and throw your chest out. Keep your legs active, ensuring that the knees stay off the ground. You can look straight ahead or up towards the ceiling. Stay in this pose for 10 to 20 seconds. To come out of this pose, exhale and lower yourself down to the floor. Inch by inch until the forehead rests on the mat. Practice 2 more rounds of this posture. This pose opens the chest and stretches the front of your body. It also stretches your intercostal muscles between the ribs, which will allow you to breathe better. Moreover, this pose strengthens your wrists, arms, shoulders, upper back and legs. However, avoid this pose in cases of recent or chronic injury to the back, hips, arms or shoulders, in cases of hernia, abdominal surgery and during pregnancy. Now the next pose we have is Saral Matsyasana, also called as a simple fish pose. Now this pose has been modified for beginners. How to do this pose? Lie on your back, your feet are together and hands are relaxed along the side of your body. Place the hands underneath the hips, palms facing down. Bring the elbows closer towards each other. Inhaling, lift the head and chest up. Keeping the chest elevated and feet flexed, lower the head backward and touch the top of the head to the floor. With the head lightly touching the floor, press the elbows firmly into the ground, placing the weight on the elbow and not on the head. Lift your chest up from in between the shoulder blades. Press the thighs and legs to the floor and hold this pose for 20 to 30 seconds, taking gentle, long breaths in and out. Exhaling, lift the head up, lowering the chest and head to the floor. Bring the hands back along the sides of the body and relax. Practice this pose 3 times. This pose is a great heart opener. It helps relieve tension in the neck and shoulders, as well as provides relief from respiratory disorders by encouraging deep breathing. However, avoid this posture if you have high or low blood pressure, migraine, and insomnia. Those who have had serious lower back or neck injuries are also recommended not to practice this pose. The next pose is dhanurasana, also called as the bow pose. Now, how to do this pose? Lie on the abdomen on the mat with your forehead facing the ground. Legs can be together or slightly apart to ease the pressure off the lower back. Slowly raise the head and the neck a few inches off the mat and simultaneously bend the legs at the knees. Grasp the ankles with the respective hands. Inhaling, raise the head upwards, arching the spine. Simultaneously, pull the legs also upwards to give the body a bow shape. Maintain this pose for 10 to 20 seconds with normal, slow and rhythmic breathing. Exhaling, bring the head down and simultaneously release the ankles and unfold the legs to assume the starting position. Practice 2 rounds of this pose. With practice, increase your hold up to 2 minutes. This asana improves our breathing capacity, reduces constipation and indigestion. It strengthens our lower body and helps in resolving back pain. However, people suffering from hernia, hypertension, heart ailments, peptic ulcers, serious spinal ailments and osteoarthritis should avoid this pose. Even women during pregnancy must avoid this pose. Yoga improves heart health by increasing circulation and blood flow. By practicing it daily, it can be a game changer for your overall health and well-being. Not only does it help build coordination between your body and mind, but also it increases your strength and flexibility and has a calming effect that can relieve stress and anxiety. But with any routine, it's crucial to maintain consistency and regularity to ensure that your heart stays healthy and protected. Please make sure to consult a medical practitioner before you try these poses at home to know what is right for you. Do share your thoughts with us and keep watching this space for more such content.